Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am at the IDDBA show in New Orleans, and I am catching up with Nick Fallucca, Chief Product Development Officer for Palermos.
Correct.
And we were just talking about some of the health benefits of bread and pizza crust that Palermos makes, and really some of just the natural digestible benefits that go beyond things like GLP-1s, for instance. So can you talk to me about what you guys are doing?
You know, so people always say, you know, when you're in Italy that, oh my God, I feel so much better. Like I eat the pasta and the pizza and I feel better. I don't know why. And I think a lot of it to do is the way that the Europeans and the Italians treat their breads and treat their doughs. So they have the sourdoughs, they've got a biga. They ferment their product for 24 to 72 hours. And what that does is it breaks down the enzymes, which lowers the gluten content. And actually our product right here has a lower glycemic index. So we've actually tested. We've compared a straight dough versus an aged dough, and we found that the aged dough actually has a lower glycemic index. And so, okay, that's great, it's healthy, it's whatever, but does it taste good? It's like, yes. That's the most important thing, is that by the 24-hour fermentation in the biga and our high hydration, it's about an 85% hydration, you get these amazing cell structure, amazing pockets, and that's what gives you that nice tender crunch in the bite.
So I would have to say I was standing right over there eating those samples, and I can say that the health benefits really are on par with the taste and the quality of your pizza.
Thank you.
So you're right on, and it's really interesting to know that when it comes to thinking about the good for you parts of a pizza, it's not just about what goes on top.
Correct.
It's also how the crust is made.
Well, what's important is that it has to be a great tasting product. If you try to make something healthy and nobody buys it, well, then no one's going to eat it.
Right.
I mean, spinach and kale, if you just eat it by itself, might be healthy, but if you're not going to actually eat it, so, you know, this is something that you can feel better about eating, giving to your kids, and it'll just make you feel better as well.
Absolutely. Well, Nick, thank you so much for catching up with me,
You're welcome.
and thank you for all the pizza samples. I love it.
You're welcome.